This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop an image into a star using Inkscape. Let me jump over to Inkscape here. I have Inkscape opened up now, and I have an image of my cat on my canvas here. To crop an image into a star in Inkscape, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the left hand side over to the Tools panel, and you want to click on the star Polygon tool. The keyboard shortcut is the asterisk key. I'm going to click on that. Then up top here, you can choose between if you want a star or a polygon. I'm going to choose star. I'm going to go over to my canvas here, and I'm going to drag out a star. You could always edit it later. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back over to the Tools panel, and I'm going to click on the Selection tool. Keyboard shortcut is S. I'm going to go back to my canvas, and I'm going to position my star. See, now I have arrows all around my star where I could put my cursor over the arrow and pull out to resize it. I'm going to leave mine about like this here. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go off to the left hand side, and I'm going to reduce the opacity so I could see what I'm doing. I could see what I'm editing. I'm going to go back to my canvas here. I already have my star selected. I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and I'm going to click on my image to where I have both the shape and the image both selected. I'm going to go up to the top up here. I'm going to go to Object. I'm going to click on Object. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over Clip. I'm going to slide straight off to the right, and I'm going to click on Set Clip. Now this could always be edited. The way to edit it, say I don't like the way it turned out, the way to edit it, I'm going to make sure my star is selected. I'm going to go back up to the Object tab. I'm going to click on Object. I'm going to go back down to Clip, straight across to the right, and I'm going to click on Release Clip. And that kind of starts it all over to where you could edit the picture again. That is how to crop an image into a star using Inkscape. Thanks for watching.